how to create customer list in QuickBooks. So first of all, you go to customer, then look at customer center. Click customer center. Then you have this page. No customer is to the page because we have not created any customer. Then the next thing is go to new customer and job. Click it. Then you see new customer. You click. Then the next thing is look at say new customers. This is where you now begin to write the name of the customer you want to create. Maybe who maybe Isley. Then if you have opening balance, and fix it. Then check the date that ensure that the date is correct. Select the date appropriately. Then you say company name. Nigeria Limited. Then what's the first name? Display. What is last name? Okay. Job title. Sales manager. Name, phone number. Work phone number. Mobile phone number. Fax. Then mail email address. Company email address. Websites. Then others. If you select here, you see what others is. It's Facebook. He has Facebook. You add it. So ship to. Where are you shipping it to? And add it. Step streets. City. Abuja. Nigeria. You fill all of this. When you are satisfied, you click OK. You appear here. If you want to edit, you edit. If you want to edit this one, you edit this one. If you want to delete, you delete. So you check that, ensure that all is complete. Then you come here and click OK. So we have created one customer. Then you also follow the same format. Rows. This one, you may not have opening balance. Roasting, Nigeria, Limited. Then you also follow the same, fill the same, all this form, all this space, fill all, just the way we did to the first one. Then you also put your where you are shipping it to here if you have. So when you are satisfied, click OK. So let me add one more customer. So also fill the same, all, fill all the space. Then when you are also sure that everything is complete and correct, click OK. So you have created